When it's time to replace the doors in your home or business, choosing the right company is a crucial decision. The right door replacement company can ensure the job is done properly, on time, and within budget. Whether you are updating your front door, patio door, or interior doors, there are several factors to consider when choosing the best company for the job in Dallas. Look for local expertise. One of the first things to consider is choosing a company with a deep understanding of the local climate and building codes. Dallas experiences extreme weather, including high heat in the summer and cold spells in winter. A door replacement company that understands how weather affects your doors and energy efficiency will be able to guide you in selecting the right materials and products. Local companies also have a reputation to uphold in the community, so they are likely to offer quality work and a great customer service experience. Plus, they are more likely to be familiar with any local regulations or codes that may affect your door replacement project. Check for experience and expertise. When replacing doors, the installation process is just as important as the quality of the materials you choose. A skilled and experienced company can ensure your doors are installed properly, which helps avoid problems like drafts, security issues, or water damage. Look for companies with years of experience in the door replacement industry and a portfolio of successful installations. Make sure the company you choose has expertise in the specific type of door you are interested in. For example, if you are replacing a high-end entry door, look for a company that specializes in luxury doors and provides customized solutions. If you need energy-efficient doors, find a company that offers a variety of energy-saving options to reduce your heating and cooling costs. Read customer reviews and testimonials. Customer feedback can provide valuable insight into the quality of a door replacement company. Reading online reviews on Google, Yelp, and the company's website will help you assess their reputation. Pay attention to reviews that mention punctuality, professionalism, craftsmanship, and customer service. If a company consistently receives positive feedback, it's a good indicator that they offer a high level of service. Additionally, ask the company for references or case studies of past projects. A reputable company will be happy to share examples of their previous work and provide testimonials from satisfied customers. Consider a wide selection of doors. A good door replacement company should offer a wide range of doors to fit different styles, preferences, and budgets. Whether you are looking for wooden doors, fiberglass doors, steel doors, or glass patio doors, having access to a variety of options allows you to find the perfect fit for your home. It's also important to choose a company that works with trusted door manufacturers to ensure you get durable, high-quality doors that will last for years to come. A reputable company should also offer professional guidance in helping you select doors that fit your aesthetic and functional needs. Evaluate customer service and communication. Good customer service is essential when choosing a door replacement company. From the moment you make an inquiry to the completion of your project, you want to work with a team that is responsive, helpful, and professional. Ask how the company handles the installation process, including scheduling and communication. Do they keep you informed about progress? Are they willing to answer any questions you may have along the way? A reliable company will prioritize clear communication and ensure that you're kept in the loop every step of the way. Ask about pricing and warranties. While price shouldn't be the only factor, it's important to ensure that the company offers competitive pricing and transparent quotes. Make sure to ask for an estimate up front and inquire about any hidden fees or additional costs. A reputable company will offer fair pricing and explain the costs involved in the project clearly. Additionally, ask about warranties and guarantees. A company that stands behind its work will provide warranties for both the doors and the installation. This gives you peace of mind knowing that if any issues arise after the installation, they will be addressed promptly. Ensure proper licensing and insurance. Before making a final decision, check that the door replacement company is fully licensed and insured. A licensed contractor ensures that they meet the necessary standards and comply with local building codes. Insurance is equally important, as it protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage during the installation process. Conclusion: choosing the best door replacement company in Dallas requires careful consideration of factors such as experience, customer reviews, product selection, customer service, pricing, and proper credentials. By doing your research and asking the right questions, you can ensure that your door replacement project will be a success, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your space.